Hello, receive a cordial greeting. Effects of technology on the environment. My name is Camila Mendez with code number 1069769094. The purpose of this presentation is to expose about the positive and negative aspects that technology generates in the environment and also the change that we must make to improve it, as the environment has always been the element of survival of all. Day by day, with the activities we carry out the pollute it, and if the population grows more, technology advances and with it pollutions. With our production, we have generate climatic change, air pollutions, smoke, water pollutions, deforestation of forests, poor soil fertility, and we also end up affecting oxygen productions. Mm, Regarding the positive impacts, technology contributes to its improvement, since with this it has been possible to implement innovate recycling process and better waste management, development of environmentally friendly renewable energies systems that allow controlling the use of energies, transportation with less pollution flows, among others. It can be said that technology is being a double-edged sword of the conversations of planet Earth science. In addition to contributing to world development, it also contributes to an encourage the extinctions of natural resources. We must be aware, and although we cannot live without pollution, we can take care of the place where we live, be avoiding the use of plastics and disposables, learning to recycle, separating garbage, saving energy, taking care of water, not throwing garbage into rivers, seas or streets, not cutting down trees. Thank you.